These letters are just sounds. We are reading sounds. You know what a sound is? What is a sound? Sound kyeki owulira sound kitegeeza ki? Sound to me it's ddoboozi oba sound kye kivuga sijja diyita ddoboozi kuba sound as it on its own is ddoboozi naye kye kivuga ky'oyinza okuwulira nga kiva mu kintu naye nga tekyatuka. Most of the times. So put in mind that we are reading just sounds of these letters. They don't have vowels, right? So we have to read sound, to set sounds as sounds. They are sounds. Don't utter them strongly. Tozaatula nnyo 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 n'amaanyi kubanga tezoogera. Ziri mu bwakasiru. Bw'onoogyatula, let me say, this one you say ba, ka, da, ga. That is a different thing. It's a syllable number. Oba oli mu kwatula kika kya nnyingo ekiba kivuddemu b and netufuna ba. You get the point? The combination or blending sound b plus a, we get b. That is the syllable formed. You're uttering. And the combination of the k plus a, we get ka. That's why you're not supposed to read these sounds as ba, ka, da. No, they're not yet that. Zikyali mu bwakasiru. You get the point? Because if you say the sound k as ka, what if it's a syllable which is k plus a, which says ka, and instead of a there is o? How do you say that syllable? The blending of k and o. How do we read that? When the k and o appear together, how do we say that? This is what I mean.
Repeat it again.
This plus this. How do we read this? We have blended the k plus o, and we get this. How do we read it?
Ko.
It is ko. How does it happen? Or how has it happened? It's by blending the k plus o. Now, what if it's like this? Yes, like this. Yep. And we get this. How do we read that? Ka. Then what if it's just like this? Not a key. It is k, k. This is k, this is k, and this is k. When we blend the k plus o, we get ko from k, o, ko. K, o, ko. Then the k plus a, we get K, k, k. Then this as the C, you see it as you see it there. It says the k, 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 k. Not k, not k. It's k, 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 k. Nga akakoko kakwagula something oba kakapa nga katakula or a sack. It's k, 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 k. It makes that sound. K, 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 k. Right? We have to be careful. Are we together? So let's go back. Bena is to say after me. Say ah.
Bu.
Ah. Not boo. Listen to me carefully. B. 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 Yes? Say p. B. Guys, can you speak louder? B. 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 Not a ba, but b, b, b. Make that sound, please. I want to hear it. B. 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 I don't hear you. Guys, say speak. Tagaja kujanga toyogera. No. Practice. Say b. Yes, good. Say it again. B.
Ba.
Yes. Then k. K. Good. Ngateke ekisumuzo mu motoka. K. K. Nyolamu. K. Then d. D. E.
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 Good.
E.
Then as blowing air out. Then g. Good. G. Yep. Then good. Good. Then E.
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 Good.
E.
Then J. J.
G.
Then yes. Then L. L. Good. Great. Great. Then O.
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 Then then I don't hear you.
We didn't hear you also.
It's you who didn't hear me. Good. Next. Er. Er. Good. Then S. Good. Next. Yeah. Then good. Then good. Next. Oh. Not wo. It's oh. Say oh. Okay. Say oh. Yeah. Oh. Mm. Next. Mm. Next is E. E. Good. And lastly, Z. Okay.